What if I told you that the secret to restoring your energy, stamina, and drive after 50 doesn't come from a pill, a supplement, or even the gym, but from how you time your meals? Most men don't realize that their daily eating schedule might be sabotaging their hormones, slowing their metabolism, and draining their energy. You're probably eating healthy, exercising, maybe even taking vitamins, but if your meal timing is off, your testosterone can still plummet. Stay with me till the end of this video because I'm going to show you the complete process of how intermittent fasting works, how to start it safely after 50, and how it can reignite your testosterone, energy, and vitality. I'm Dr. Evelyn Ross, a certified urologist with 20 years of experience. And if you're serious about improving your health naturally, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, share it with someone who needs it, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. For over 20 years, I've helped men restore their energy, confidence, and performance, not just through medications, but by understanding how the body's natural rhythms work. I've seen thousands of men over 50 struggle with low testosterone, fatigue, stubborn belly fat, and low mood. But once they discovered the power of intermittent fasting, everything changed. They slept better, their waistlines shrank, their blood sugar stabilized, and most importantly, their testosterone began to rise naturally. So today, I want to explain exactly how this simple habit can work for you too. Let's talk about what really happens to men after 50. Testosterone levels drop about 1% every year after your 30s. Muscle mass decreases. Fat starts to build around the belly. You may notice slower recovery after workouts, lower motivation, or a dip in libido. And you might wonder, is this just aging? The truth is, your body's internal rhythm, your circadian clock, and your insulin levels play a massive role in how your hormones function. Here's the connection. When you eat frequently, especially late at night, your body keeps producing insulin. And when insulin stays high, testosterone stays low. It's like trying to drive a high-performance sports car while the engine's flooded with fuel, it can't run efficiently. But when you give your body time to rest between meals, insulin drops, growth hormone rises, and testosterone can finally do its job. That's where intermittent fasting comes in a simple, natural way to reset your hormones, improve energy, and turn your metabolism back on. Let's break this down into clear, actionable steps so you can start today. Intermittent fasting isn't about starving yourself. It's about giving your body a scheduled period of eating and resting. For example, you might eat all your meals within an 8-hour window, say from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m., and fast for the remaining 16 hours. That's called the 16 to 8 method, one of the most effective and sustainable ways for men over 50. When you do this, your body starts using stored fat for energy instead of constantly relying on food. This improves insulin sensitivity, which helps testosterone production and energy balance. Think of it like a nightly reset button for your metabolism. One of my 58-year-old patients, James, started intermittent fasting just 3 days a week. Within 2 months, he dropped 12 pounds, felt more alert in the mornings, and said, "I feel like I'm 40 again." Fasting only works if you fuel your body properly during your eating hours. Focus on protein-rich foods, eggs, chicken, salmon, lentils, healthy fats, olive oil, avocados, nuts, complex carbs, oats, quinoa, sweet potatoes, micronutrients, zinc, magnesium, and vitamin D for testosterone. Avoid processed sugar and refined carbs. They spike insulin and undo your progress. You don't have to count every calorie. Just eat mindfully, stop when satisfied, and keep meals nutrient-dense. A simple example. Lunch 12 p.m., grilled salmon, quinoa, and steamed broccoli snack 4 p.m., handful of almonds and green tea dinner 7:30 p.m., chicken stir-fry with olive oil and brown rice. Morning fasting is especially powerful for men over 50. During fasting hours, your body produces more growth hormone, which supports muscle retention and fat loss, both crucial for healthy testosterone. Your body also increases autophagy, a natural cleansing process that removes old, damaged cells and promotes new, healthy ones. That means better energy, sharper focus, and improved endurance even before you eat your first meal. Stay hydrated. Drink water, black coffee, or herbal tea during your fast. Avoid anything with sugar or cream. If you've never fasted before, start with a 12-hour fast, say 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. Once you're comfortable, extend it to 14 or 16 hours. The goal isn't perfection, it's consistency. Think of this as training your metabolism. With each fast, your body becomes more efficient at burning fat and balancing hormones. Within a few weeks, you'll likely notice less bloating, better sleep, more stable mood, stronger morning energy. Here's why fasting supports testosterone directly. Lower insulin, higher testosterone. Studies show that when insulin decreases, the body's ability to produce testosterone increases. Improved leptin sensitivity. Fasting helps regulate leptin, a hormone that signals hunger and energy balance. When leptin works well, testosterone production improves naturally. Reduced inflammation, chronic inflammation lowers testosterone. Fasting helps reduce it, improving blood flow and oxygen delivery to your cells. Increased LH, luteinizing hormone research has found that fasting can increase LH, the hormone that signals your testes to produce more testosterone. So yes, simply changing when you eat can trigger a cascade of natural hormonal benefits. Many men over 50 complain about restless sleep. Fasting helps here too. When you stop eating 3 hours before bed, your body isn't busy digesting. That means better melatonin production and deeper sleep, the stage when testosterone is naturally produced. Better sleep, better recovery, better hormonal balance. Now, how do you actually fit this into your life? You don't have to turn your routine upside down. Start with something simple, for example. Skip breakfast and have your first meal at noon. Drink water and coffee in the morning. End your last meal around 8 p.m. Sleep through most of your fasting window, it'll feel effortless. If you wake up hungry, try a pinch of pink salt in water, it helps balance electrolytes. You can still enjoy family meals, just adjust your timing slightly. And remember, occasional flexibility is fine. Even fasting 3 to 4 days a week can make a big difference. A few important notes. Intermittent fasting is safe for most people, but if you have diabetes, low blood pressure, or take medications, talk to your doctor before starting. Don't overdo fasting. Extreme restriction can backfire. Always stay hydrated. Don't break your fast with sugary foods. It spikes insulin and cancels out the benefits. No overnight miracles here. Your hormones take time to respond. But with patience, you'll see steady improvement in your energy, focus, and overall vitality. Fast for 12 hours daily, 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. Focus on protein-rich meals and hydration. Avoid snacking late at night. Increase fasting to 14 to 16 hours. Add short walks or light workouts in the morning while fasting. Track your sleep and energy levels. Note improvements in focus, mood, and digestion. You'll likely notice your clothes fitting looser, better sleep quality, and more consistent energy throughout the day. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to feel younger and stronger again. And tell me in the comments, are you going to try intermittent fasting? And what fasting window are you planning to start with? Your response might inspire someone else to begin their journey too. Remember, your body is still capable of amazing things no matter your age. Intermittent fasting isn't just about skipping meals, it's about restoring balance. It helps your body do what it was designed to do: burn fat, boost hormones, and rebuild strength. Small, consistent habits create powerful long-term change. So start today. Your energy, vitality, and confidence are waiting on the other side of consistency. I'm Dr. Evelyn Ross, reminding you, health isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Stay strong, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.